Here are my 5 things that you should not even bother fixing before you sell your home. RAnderson with Lamacchia Realty. Go ahead and be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Each week I offer new videos to help you, the consumer, either buy, sell, or invest in real estate. Today, we're talking about selling your home for the first time. These 5 things you're gonna not even wanna bother getting done before selling your home. And it's applicable to anybody, whether you're selling your home for the first time or you've been through 4 or 5 different transactions in selling your home. These 5 things are vitally important. Don't forget to stick around too at the end, because I got something special just for you. So first up is cosmetic damage. You don't want to really worry about fixing cosmetic damage, because for the buyer, that is a relatively easy fix on their side, and they're going to be more likely to update the home or make a cosmetic change that's going to be more suitable to their style. And most sophisticated buyers or house flippers or, experienced buyers agents know that cosmetic changes are very easily fixed. The building systems are going to be what's most important. So electric, HVAC, heating, oil, like those systems, if there's a problem with that, that's what you're going to want to make sure you fix first, because that can easily tank your deal if a problem is found in home inspection. All right, kitchens and bathrooms. That's going to be, in my opinion, if you're not willing to go the full 100 yards to make sure that you're fully updating your kitchens or your bathrooms, don't even bother. Stay away from quick DIY fixes that you think is going to bring some sort of magical value to your property. If you do a job halfway, it's going to look worse when you go to sell your home, and therefore make your home less attractive to somebody looking to buy right. Plus, these are also often considered fun areas to renovate for buyers that are coming into the market, because it's the center of most people's homes. So they can take that and they can, oftentimes buyers aren't really afraid of updating these areas, because that's a stamp that they can put on their home and they can make it their own. So I kind of mentioned it before in the last one, but number 3 is doing partial fixes. Whatever you do in a home, do it 100%. When you're making updates to your house, whether it be for you to be more comfortable or for you to get ready to sell it, go 100% of the way in getting the job done, whether it be updating a bathroom, updating kitchens, replacing flooring. If you do a job halfway, you're gonna end up paying more in the long run. Repainting trendy colors. When a buyer looks at a house, they don't care that you have a purple accent wall. It's not gonna make a difference for them with the space of the home, because any house that somebody buys, they're gonna wanna put their own color of paint on. So if you have, a super dark one, you could obviously lighten it up a little bit, put a couple coats of primer on there, just to sort of level it out. But you don't need to get super concerned with covering up your trendy paint color to make sure that it's more appealing to more buyers that are out there. And number 5, which is probably the most important, is renovating out of your area. Now, what does that mean? So when you go to renovate a home, you don't want to renovate beyond what a potential buyer is going to be looking for in that area. So if you're talking about updating a kitchen, let's use that for an example. The common thing is, custom cabinets and granite countertops, right? So it's a medium priced household, around $500,000. Your kitchen, you don't want to put in marble counters with, chef style kitchens, because if comes a certain point where if you outprice the house for what's available in the neighborhood, you might not easily find a buyer for that home, and therefore your investment, you're not going to get really that great of a return on it. So my name's RAnderson with Lamacchia Realty. Again, we talked about the 5 different things that you're going to want to avoid doing, but when getting your house ready to sell. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you go ahead and check out down below, there's a link, ryanfindshomes.com/sellers. I'll get you your custom home value so that you can make the best choice for your plans in the future. In addition to that CMA, I'm also getting you my free listing mistake guide. So these are the things you want to make sure that you avoid when you go to list your home. By getting this, you're already 2 steps ahead of the game if and when we actually meet to sell your house.